Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to ask questions in Snapchat story. So guys, if you want to ask questions in Snapchat stories like this, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this as well. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and make sure that you're using the updated version of Snapchat on your device. So guys, for that, go to App Store or Play Store and search here for Snapchat. Here it is. And now you have to simply update your Snapchat to the latest version. So guys, as you can see this, it is being updated. You have to simply wait for some minutes until your Snapchat gets updated. So guys, once the Snapchat is updated, simply open this app. And now you have to simply open the camera, or you have to go to stories from here. So guys, simply take a snap, and from here you have to simply go to stickers from here. So guys, here you can see the icon for stickers, and from here you can see gifts, mentions, location, questions, poll or story. So guys, if you want to ask question, you have to simply tap on question, and from here you can ask any question. Here you can say how are you. So guys, here you can see this, and now you have to simply tap on this icon and now go to send button, or from here you can easily go to story. So guys, simply tap on story and your story has been added. So guys, in this way you can also ask questions in your stories on Snapchat. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.